officially starting. Woohoo! There. Woohoo! Now let's go follow Grandpa. My dad.
What up? Oh, those are from the tracks. Those big tires.
Oh yeah? Look at how tall the stalks are, right? They're really tall. Day 17 of harvest, and yesterday we had a rain delay, so we're in the fields, but we got everything ready for corn. So
Well, it didn't rain all day.
it didn't rain all day. He's right. He's right. Just the morning, right?
Yeah, wait, what's today?
It is Sunday today, right?
Wait, what's like, oh yeah, the
Yeah, it's Sunday.
20th? What?
The 20th. Yep, October 20th. Just opening up the field
Wait, why
here.
is there no stuff right there?
Right? Good. Good eye there, bud. That was a wet spot. If anybody remembers, it was a very wet spring here in central Minnesota. So there's a lot of, well, not a lot, but plenty of spots like that. But now it's super dry.
The sensor's not in that black thing, right?
The sensor? Nope, it's not. Well, it's in the hopper. You're talking like the moisture and stuff? Or no, you're talking the, when it
sensor's
says how
when
it's full.
Yeah.
Right. Yep. It is in the black thing, the hopper, but it's not in the extensions. So that's why when it says we're like 3/4 full, technically we have room yet. Or when we're full, it says full, but we have room yet. You remember me telling you that, don't you? That's sweet.
Yeah, from like 2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah, what?
You're smart. Word on the street is, no, I'm just kidding. Word from my dad is that it's ringing in at 15.5, but went into transition at like 20%. So I was very curious to see what the field condition would be like. October 20th. First unload of corn for the year. For dry corn, anyway. Outside the cabs, doing our checks as always. When we enter a field, start the field, we always gotta change up settings in the cab accordingly.
That is so much.
So much what?
Come on. Come on. I told you with the right shower. But you don't want to have corn cab. You don't want to have corn cab.
I don't want to have corn Uh-oh. And on that,
We had a snake. On the water.
see it moving.
That's why. Look at the yield!
What is your question?
So, see, like, it's way different than this. Like that we just combined it, and then this.
You're right. Like the field, how it looks is really different. That's a great question. This is what we chopped. Dad chopped that with the chopper. Remember, pull type that Grandpa has. And that is what we just combined today, a little bit ago. So they look very different. Combine
look
versus
at
chopping.
But why is
Because
this
you want
really
that
big?
material.
I see it going down.
Do you?
Yeah. Can I open this?
That's a pretty sunset.
With that big thing in it?
Welcome to the nightlife. Woo-hoo! I'd say that's a good and full box. Well, everybody, that was a successful first day of corn harvest 2024. And it's getting late. We got a bunch done today, but I'm opening up a field and it's really goofy around different waterways, and there's just a lot of headlands and a lot of trees clumped in the center of the field, and I don't want to really deal with that. It's late enough for the day, so I'm calling it. Stay tuned for tomorrow. It will be a whole new day of harvest, a whole new day of corn harvest. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it and thankful for what we got done today. Unfortunately, well, good thing, bad thing is the moisture. We were averaging 15.9%. A lot of 16s though I've been seeing on the monitor, and that's good and bad. Our dryer, it's an older dryer, it works actually really well in like 20% corn, 19, 18. It struggles a bit with just getting it to have to like dry down a point or something. So give or take there. It's good news and bad, because then, well, it's less propane, you know, fuel to dry it down, but the dryer definitely has a sweet spot of just having it a little bit better. So we'd almost be better just wait until it's 15% and just send it, but without the dryer. But yeah, I think we got to keep doing it. It's getting late for harvest season. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one.